I have literally just had a fight with this bird. Fuck off. Oh mate, you're gonna go. He's not scared. Fuck off. I just caught fish. Yeah, fuck you, prick. I've had a fist fight with a bird. He wants my dinner. He ain't getting my dinner. I literally just had a fight with him on the beach.
We shall fight on the beaches.
You need to fuck off, man. Fuck off. He's not scared, is he? Oh my days. I haven't even killed the fish. Look. Fuck yeah, then get out of it. Yeah. Fuck off. Oh my god. It's the first car I've caught in about fucking 6 months. I'm not letting him get it. Bastard. I haven't even killed the poor bastard yet. But I guarantee you, this fucking thing is gonna come for me. Oh, fuck off. For Frodo. Fuck off. Fucking told you. Fucking. You're a fucking karate kid. Seriously, come. This is an unusual experience. Fuck off or I will kill you. Prick. You're fucking brave, huh? End your life now, you fucking asshole. Hey, you just took a shit. Oh, you fuck off, get out of here. Fucking Jesus.